Hi there, I'm Sarah with WTI.
Nothing beats having a beautiful umbrella for shade on a hot summer day. But when I tell you the added bonuses of this beautiful umbrella from AckMizz, you are going to want to throw out your old umbrella and get yourself one of these babies. This umbrella not only offers a beautiful look to your porch or patio, but it also offers an added ventilation system with its tiered design. So all that hot summer air can escape and leave you feeling cool and comfortable even on the hottest of summer days. It comes in many different colors so you can match it with your own personality, style, and decor. It's not only great for sunny days, but I also love that it's water resistant, so it's nice to sit under it and listen to the rain. It's very easy to use with the smooth hand crank for opening and closing, and it has an easy to use Velcro strap so that you can secure it on windy days. It also has a tilt feature so you can block out the sun from any angle. And never forget that you can use any umbrella as a silly hat video. My favorite thing about this umbrella has to be the solar lights. I absolutely love how beautiful it makes my porch look. The solar panel is on the very top of the umbrella. It gets plenty of sunshine, and that solar charge can last from 6 to 7 hours. So if you're looking for something to give your porch a little added beauty and still keep you cool in the summer, I highly recommend this umbrella.
And that's my point of view.